I think the common link that attracts people to Hampshire is being queer. Not all of them, just most of them.
Hampshire radicalized me in a lot of ways. I didn't have like a conscious language to describe the experiences I had, like walking through the world as like a queer Black femme. Like even that phrase itself is something that Hampshire helped me be able to say.
I'd always known I was like non-binary, and I just never had the language for it really. It was like the day I got to Hampshire, I went from using she, her, and they, them pronouns to just they, them. It was like the flip of a switch.
This was a place where I got to be trans and be hyper accepted.
Before I was just kind of, here, but not really able to say, okay, I'll thrive in this environment because it's filled with these people who can kind of interact with me in the ways that I need to be interacted with.
I came to Hampshire with a different name, with different pronouns, in a different body, and I think that I needed the space that I got here to figure out who I was and what I wanted to do and how I wanted to do it. And I don't think that's something I could have gotten anywhere else.
I remember dressing in a way that my parents did not quite approve of. But I think they came to understand that Hampshire is a place where you get to find yourself. Here I got to learn, to write, to make out of my life freshness, tenderness, surprise, queer and musical joy, alternate ways and spaces in which to thrive.